I picked 10 Quest 2 games from Rec Room all the way to Gorilla Tag and 10 TikTok brain rots, and we'll be matching them up equally to the best of my ability. The first game I have here is Rec Room. Now this is a game filled with a bunch of little kids and a bunch of different game modes. This is literally just Roblox in a different form, morphed into whatever this is. There's a ton of game chat and there are a ton of annoying people. And the brain rot that I mashed up with this game is the TikTok Riz Buddy. Now, the reason why I mashed them up, I hate making this video. The reason why I mashed them up is because the Riz Party is just so random, and I just feel like it's a amalgamation, is that the word? Of everything random into one thing. That's how I feel Rec Room is, bro. They're literally the exact same thing. I can differentiate it at all. Stay till the end of the video to see Gorilla Tag paired with a certain brain rot, and you will probably never guess what it is. Next game we have here is Pavlov. Now, Pavlov, the OG FPS shooter in VR. Started off in PC VR, but now it's on the Quest. Now, if you play this game, you're as cool as a pool. You're as chill as a pickle. That didn't rhyme. If you play Pavlov, what could that possibly mean that you are? You're a Sigma. Like, there's nothing else that you could be besides a Sigma. Like, look at me and look at my subscribers. Like, we're all Sigmas. Like, so, dude, I hate every single part of this video. For the research of this video, I got reintroduced to the world of brain rot after deleting TikTok 6 months ago. Throughout this video, I'm gonna search for what could be my new favorite brain rot, and at the end of this video, I will let you know which one that is. Next, we have Beat Saber. Now, Beat Saber is another OG VR game. Now, when you think about Beat Saber, you have to think about the type of people that play this. Now, who are the type of people that play this game? Who could they possibly be? Well, it's only the goats of the VR space. Unproblematic people who don't have problems with anything. They literally get on this game and they chill. They cause no drama. They're G's, and that's what they are. But then you're thinking, okay, then what brain rot out of this specific list that I picked could match up to this type of person? And the brain rot that I picked is Riz. Like, you just gotta think about it. People who play Beat Saber have the most Riz out of anybody. Next game, we have Bone Lab. Now, Bone Lab, the successor to Boneworks. This is a story-driven game with the amazing physics and everything. But then you gotta understand, this game is just so chill, and it's just like, it has something to it that is indescribable, something that reaches out to you, that transcends words and feelings and everything. And what is it? It's aura. This game has aura. I mean, just look at how just listen to the game's music. Look at the intro. Look at the graphics. It's just something about it, man, that just ties me in. Now, next we have, oh my, the one and only Among Us. Now, Among Us is just that game from the past that we would all like to forget, but they just somehow snuck into the Quest space, and they're here to stay, fortunately or unfortunately, depending on who's watching this. Now, this game has a specific type of player. Who are these players? Youngins. That's what I'm talking about. People who are younger than the age of 17, 16, 15, 14. But there's just something about this game. It's just like, it just reminds me of something else that this brain rot that oh my god, it's coming to fruition. I think it's Phantom Tax.
These cookies. What are cookies at?
Now, you're asking, why did I pick Phantom Tax and Among Us to be in the same league? Well, I'm just gonna say it here and right now. They're just the same. And if you don't see it, then you need to put on some 3D glasses. Now we're nearing the end of the video, and I still haven't found my favorite brain rot. So hopefully this will go right, or if it doesn't, then it's just not worth even uploading this video at all. Now we have VR Chat, the VR Chat, that game with furries and crazy cool maps and just the craziest combination of things. This game is where all the most random things happen. You also want to know what other location just has the most random things occur? The one and only Ohio. I mean, think about it. Is there anything normal here? And that's what VR Chat is, just so many things into one. Literally just Ohio. Next we have Job Simulator. Now, Job Simulator, it's a game where you literally play to pretend like you have a job. Now, if that isn't a crazy game idea, I don't know what is. So think about the people in here who just get on just to work, right? They already have their 9 to 5 in real life, and they come home, put on their VR headset, and just play this game. But you know, the only type of people that play this game are people that look like him. So the brain rot that I associated with this game is mewing. Only people with the craziest jawline and the best mentality play this game. To come off of work and school, to come home and go back to work again, you know what? You understand what type of mentality that is? A David Goggins mentality, okay? You need an alpha's mentality. Oh, that's 2 in 1. 2 brain rots. Someone kill me. It's 2 brain rots in 1 game. Come on, bro. You're a G if you play that. Next game, Blade and Sorcery. Now, this is a sandbox fighting VR game, okay? You literally get on, grab weapons, and kill NPCs. If that's not what type of brain rot it is, then I don't think we can be associated with each other, okay? To be honest, Blade and Sorcery players just mog everybody. Just everybody. Imagine getting on a game just to play with swords and slash people's throats and stab them for fun. Now, honestly, I'm just gonna give my next game and its brain rot with very little explanation. We have Roblox. Now you're probably wondering, why did I pick this one? And if you're wondering, I am too. I just felt like it fits together. It's just something about it that just resonates with Roblox VR. Not just regular Roblox, but Roblox VR. It just rhymes. Roblox and they just rhyme. Like you can hit Roblox and look, you see what I mean? And finally, the game that you guys have been waiting for, Gorilla Tag. Most popular VR game on the Quest ever. Never say never. And it just makes sense to pair it with the most popular brain rot that has come out in the 21st century. It only makes sense to give this game a single brain rot, the most popular one that I think has dominated the younger generation. It's the one, it's the only Skibidi Toilet. This brain rot, I know nothing about it besides it's a head in a toilet, okay? This one surpasses my TikTok usage. Ever since I deleted TikTok, it's just gone rampant. All right, guys, my favorite brain rot. I know you waited all video for this. After doing research and meticulously studying and finding out the angles and the different theories associated with each one, my favorite brain rot out of this entire list is I mean, it's just so classical. I hear it and I just think of Mozart. It just come on. I'm shouting out these 10 people. Shout out Big Toe, shout out Gamer Love, Mr. Ballo, Scarlet Haze, Donkey Kong, the Deep Voice Guy, Tryhard Gamers, Dorn, what? Ninja 9 Tails 43, Real Plo. Shout out you guys.